Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! So yan mga babes, na before we start your reading ang content pala natin kasi meron tayong mga nakita sa mga comment sections na update naman daw regarding their no communication or no contact situation between them and their other person. So yun nga mga babes, before we start, lalo na kung kayo ay nandun sa ganong klase ng curiosity or situation at gusto ninyong malaman, kung meron ba ritong contact na mangyayari sa inyong dalawa or communication, itong person ba na to ay mag-reach out sa inyo, then that's what we're gonna find out. Pwede ninyo naisipin or i-visualize yung face ng person na yon on your mind. Pwede nyo i-pause tong video na to for a while and concentrate na dun sa face ng person so that you can be able to gather their intentions and hopefully sana makuha natin yung energy mo. Pero, pwede mo rin namang isipin yung person na yon while I do the shuffling of the deck over here. Okay? It's up to you. So, yun nga na before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, newbies, new subscribers, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. And if you happen hindi nyo pa knows, na meron pa po tayong other channel, the link is down below sa ating description box. Kaya naman, kung gusto mo ding tumambay dyan, then see you there. So yeah, mga babes, wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, even cross-watchers. Pwede niyo pong i-flip yung roles if you want, and at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you na free mo rin gamitin, of course, anytime, anywhere. So let's go ahead and check these messages right here. Virgo, okay, so let me begin. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my lovely Virgo. Will there be contact coming from this person here who goes silent with Virgo? Will this person contact Virgo first? Or ano ba yung nasa thoughts and feelings itong person na to in this no contact situation? This is for Virgo. This reading is intended for Virgo. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides. Virgo. Kasi naman tong energy na to, medyo mababa yung energy niya, to the point na parang napipilitan siyang gawin, ayaw niyang gawin, pero wala siyang choice. Yan, parang ganin yung energy. So let me put all the energies first sa ating table before we start talking more about this. You've got the Ten of Wands, see? The King of Swords. The Fool card, energy. The Ace of Swords. The Page of Swords. The Temperance, energy. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Moon, the Star, the Queen of Wands. Let's put it here. Four of Wands, Page of Cups, Seven of Cups. Okay. Kung sino mo tong energy na to, unahin ko na to, tingin niya, ngayon, meron ka ng ini-entertain na iba, may kinakausap ka ng iba, So, it looks like possible na kilala niya yun with the Page of Cups energy, but, just take how this resonates, Either kilala niya yun or hindi, this person feels like meron ka ng ibang ini-entertain, kinakausap, parang you're okay now with your situation, you're not even thinking about him or her anymore, because you're now engaging here with a new person, or if not, this is you, possible na ready ka na to enter a new phase of your love life. Kumbaga parang ready ka na to entertain, someone, to love. Yan, naka-move on ka na sa kanya. This person here is thinking like that, But I do see that with the Page of Swords energy, this person here is actually watching you. Nakakuha pa rin siya rito ng news about you. Pwedeng friends kayo sa social media, or this person here, meron siyang mga ways para makapag-stalk sa'yo sa social media, puwedeng sa iyong Facebook, Instagram, 'no, ano man yung social media platforms na meron ka, 'no? So, doesn't have to be that you're posting every day or doesn't have to be that you're someone na pino-post lahat, no, including your love life, no, situations, no. Hindi ko nakikitang gano'n kayo, pero nakikita ko rito na parang kayo ito, no, na nagpo-post kayo, no, whenever you feel like posting, you know. Parang kunwari 'pag gusto niyong i-share yung food na kinain ninyo because you feel so happy, no, eating that food, no, 'yan ishe-share niyo 'yan, 'no. But not every day you feel like that, 'no. Parang paminsan-minsan 'pag meron kang gustong i-post, dun ka lang magpo-post. You're not really someone who shares yung mga parang mga quotes everyday, hindi, eh, 'no. Parang paminsan-minsan ka lang mag-post. Maybe you are a private person right here or hindi ka lang gano'n ka-share sa social media, no. But this person here, kilala ka niya 'no, why? Because ikaw ang kanyang ex dito. So, alam niya dito mga babes 'no, yung kilos mo, paano ka gumalaw, paano ka magsalita 'no, ta's kahit hindi ka magsalita 'no, alam niya kung ano yung iniisip mo 'no, what's going on in your head 'no, may mga gano'n. So, nakita ko dito na posibleng matagal na rin kayo naging committed with each other 'no, and this person here, I think yung inyong separation is hindi niya talaga tanggap. With this Ten of Wands energy and there's this King of Swords, no, malamang nung nag-separate kayo before, gumawa siya ng paraan. Kasi King of Swords energy is someone, no, na parang pinipiga niya yung brain niya, no, for the strategies na ano bang pwede kong gawin para hindi kami tuluyan na maghiwalay ni Virgo or ano ba yung dapat kong gawin para ma-maintain ko na maging strong ang aming foundation, no. Pero ngayon naguguho na ito, so ano ba yung dapat kong gawin? Ten of Wands energy. This separation is really something here na hindi niya talaga tanggap, 'no. Talagang tutulo siya diyan 'no, sa separation or sa hiwalayan na 'yan 'no. Gusto niya ng new beginning sa inyong dalawa rito 'no, pero nakita ko rito na parang siya 'to na wala siyang magawa 'no, na parang hindi niya mapagbago ang iyong isip dito. Lalo na kung meron ka na ritong bagong ini-entertain, you know. Ikaw kasi yung klase ng energy that you want a two-way communication, you know? Para bang two-way yan, miss yan. Kunwari, may sinabi ka, gusto mo makikinig siya. Ngayon, ikaw makikinig ka rin 'pag may gusto siyang sabihin, 'no? Ngayon pagka nagkaroon kayo ng pag-aayos 'no, ng communication at na-fix niyo yung issue na yun, this is you, parang ikaw 'to na ayaw mo na paulit-ulit na and you do not want to repeat that same mistake 'no na, "Oh, nag-usap na tayo, mali yung gawin," or, "Okey na 'to, basta hindi na 'to mangyayari ever again." 'No, gano'n 'no, lagi naman kayong nagka-come up sa gano'n, but it looks like it keeps on repeating and repeating and repeating 'no, like that of the hamster 'no, yung parang Ferris wheel, 'di ba, ng hamster, yung parang treadmill ng hamster 'no. So, it looks like this is you 'no, you feel like para kang kumakausap ng hangin, 'no? Parang you feel like you're talking parang okey pa nga nakausap yung bata kasi 'pag yung bata maintindihan agad, 'di ba? Pero siya, parang you feel like you're talking with someone who is childish and immature. Parang hindi niya naiintindihan 'no, parang pagka nagiging mainit na yung usapan 'no, this ex of yours tend to parang magagalit agad 'no, and at the same time parang daming sinasabi 'no, to the point na hindi niya na napapakinggan yung side mo, hindi niya na nauunawaan yung gusto mong iparating or ibig mong sabihin because this person here keeps on talking and talking and talking, 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 talking 'no. At kasi with the King of Swords energy, I do see that this person here is someone na medyo mataas yung ego niya, medyo meron din siya ritong pride at posibleng may pagka-controller. Because this person here is someone na gusto niya, say niya, yun yung mangyayari, no? Kasi the King of Swords energy here, no, in this reading symbolizes na ako yung dapat in demand, ako yung dapat musunod, ako yung dapat in control dito sa situation na 'to 'no. Pero alam naman natin, lagi ko sinasabi dito 'no, especially sa mga collective readings na kapagka nasa isang relationship kayo, para kayong nakaupo diyan sa isang bangka na hindi demotor. You need to balance, 'di ba, the connection, you need to balance the love situation in order for this na hindi lumubog, 'di ba, or hindi mabuwag 'no, ang inyong connection. But it looks like whenever there are situations na parang hindi maiiwasan, no, argument, no, keeps on rising and rising, no, kaysa maapula yung apoy na parang lalong tumitindi yung apoy, it is because you're talking here with someone who is like a child, no, childish, I mean, immature. So this person here is someone na parang siya kasi ito na klase ng energy na parang meron din kasi siya ritong part sa kanyang sarili 'no, kung saan parang okey lang kasi kahit ano namang sabihin ko, ano namang gawin ko, hindi naman din ako bibitiwan basta-basta ni Virgo, 'yan 'no. But all of those things 'no, is napalitan at nabago nung bigla ka ritong nag-iba 'no, dahil paulit-ulit, nakakapagod, walang gana na paulit-ulit mong sinasabi kung paano magiging maayos ang situation, but this person here keeps on ruining this because he or she do not know how to listen to you. Okay? At dito nakita ko dito na may mga ginagawa siya rito na parang hindi niya maialis sa sarili niya. Pwedeng addictions yun, no? Pero more likely, I think sa ugali niya, meron kayo ritong nakita na parang wala namang perfect, mga mahal, no? Okay? God is the only one na perfect. Okay? But for human beings, no, nobody is perfect. At ikaw, nakita mo yun, no, na may mga ganun siyang ugali, no, but you tend to stay, 'di ba? Before, okay? Kasi you believe na baka one day matulungan mo siya makapagpabago, no, and you're gonna keep this relationship right here up until the end, no. You even see your future together with this person here, no. Pero ang nangyari rito, no, nagkaroon ng separation because you got tired. Kasi hindi mo nakikita yung improvement, yung pagbabago na gusto mong makita na in order for this relationship to grow. Okay? You know, love is not enough. Okay? For a relationship, okay? For a committed relationship, no? To continue. Okay? Kasi kailangan dyan ng two-way. Kailangan dyan ng someone mas listen sa isa't isa, no? Both of you should understand to be understood. And yun yung lack or naging kulang, missing sa inyong connection before. But I do see that you've stayed with this person here, no, even though it's so tiring, ulit-ulit, no, and then the topic, no, yun ulit, no, and then the argument, and then you feel so frustrated, exhausted, no, and you feel like na parang walang patutunguhan ito, no, and then yun na yung parang naging dahilan, no, para i-stop mo na ang pakikipagrelasyon sa kanya. Now, this person over here, okay, is feeling a lot of guilt, no? Parang ngayon, gusto niya na magbago for good talaga. Parang ngayon, gusto niya na talagang kumilos for good talaga. Pero, paano niyo pa yung gagawin ngayon? Eh, wala na kayo. Parang siya to na sana ginawa niya yung pagpupursige na yan noon, no? At sana pinanindigan niya talaga lahat ng sinasabi niya at mga promises niya, hindi niya uulitin yun. Pero wala na kayo dito ngayon, no, sa kanyang world right here. So this person here, even though you're not talking, you're not communicating, I do see that this person here is still watching you. Might be on your social media, lalo na yung mga hindi naman ninyo blinak ito, or kung blinak nyo, doesn't have to be. But I do see that this person here, no, meron pa rin siyang mga balitang nakukuha about you. But with the temperance energy, this person maintains that calmness, no, na wala akong gagawin, I'm just gonna watch Virgo, yan, no. Pero nakikita ko rito na ikaw pa rin, you know, with the Queen of Wands energy, no, and the Ten of Wands present right in their star, hindi man siya dito nagsasalita, ikaw pa rin. So, will there be communication, Miss Yan? Yeah, there will be communication right here, especially kung matagal kayong naging committed sa isa't isa, baka meron na rin kayo dito parang mga pinagsamahan na baka negosyo, legal documents, properties, archives, files, and other things na dapat ayusin, no? Maybe regarding to money and other legalities, diba? So, kung ano man yun, Okay, parang pipigilin niya yung sarili niya dito na ma-involve ang kanyang emotion, but this person here still hopes, 'no, na baka one day, baka maging kayo ulit, 'yan. 'Di ba? Parang hoping pa rin siya because the star in the moon, this is like keeping a secret right here to the unknown. And this person here wants it na maging unknown na lang sa'yo, 'no? Pero wishing, hoping, 'no, ikaw pa rin yung laman ng isip at puso niya rito, 'no? Pero yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko na posibleng kayo ay may iba na ritong mga plano na may kinalaman sa inyong love life. At yung iba, posibleng entertaining na rin kayo ano, ng new love, and others, you could be already talking here with someone new. Okay? It's up to you. Okay? Whether you're gonna talk with this person here, no? Pero hindi siya yung mag-open ng topic, no? So, kung ano man yung parang kailangan lang pag-usapan kasi may kailangan i-settle or kung ano man, no, na importanteng mga bagay, might be involving ng legalities, iba sa inyo, siguro may mga anak kayo kasi may lumbas ring bata dito, pero doesn't have to be. Just take how this resonates, okay? So, yeah, these are all the messages you've got right here. No, yung gusto niya dito makipag-communicate na pag-usapan yung emotions and feelings, pero pinipili niyang wag na lang. So yeah, pipiliin niyo lang yung mga mensaheng sa tingin niyo para sa inyo, babe. And muli ako po si Yan, Sarang Heal, Love, and Light. And you.